One of the reasons why I encourage all tattoo artists to learn to embrace cover-ups and try to make it a regular part of what they do is so many people need them, and if those people end up going elsewhere for their cover-ups, they're not going to come back to you with their blank skin, necessarily. If you can make something beautiful out of their unwanted tattoo, they will. They will definitely trust you, and once you've done that, you might have a client for life. This coming October, I'm going to be leading a 4-week cover-up intensive course. Every Monday night, we're going to get together and do a series of exercises. They're going to culminate in you actually designing and doing a cover-up on a friend or client. By the end of this 4-week course, you should be able to confidently add cover-up specialist to your profile and take on a whole new group of clientele.